How to make fried rice food tutorial series delivered by Peter Uwaifo. Hello everyone and welcome to day 2 of our food tutorial series. Thank you for joining me once again as we continue our exciting journey of learning practical cooking skills and delicious recipes. Today I will be showing you how to prepare a colorful, flavorful and delicious meal that is loved by millions of people around the world. Fried rice. Fried rice is one of the most popular dishes served at parties, family gatherings, restaurants, and special occasions. What makes fried rice special is its beautiful combination of vegetables, proteins, seasonings, and perfectly cooked rice. The good news is that you can easily prepare restaurant-quality fried rice right in your own kitchen. Let's begin by looking at the ingredients you will need. You will need cooked rice, carrots, green peas, sweet corn, green beans, bell peppers, onions, vegetable oil, chicken stock, seasoning cubes, curry powder, thyme, salt, cooked chicken, beef, shrimp, or liver. Once your ingredients are ready, we can begin cooking. Step 1 is preparing the vegetables. Wash all your vegetables thoroughly and chop them into small uniform pieces. This helps them cook evenly and gives your fried rice a professional appearance. Step 2 is preparing the rice. For the best fried rice, use rice that has been cooked and allowed to cool completely. Freshly cooked rice can become soft and sticky during frying. Step 3 is heating the pan. Place a large frying pan or pot on medium heat and add a small amount of vegetable oil. Add the chopped onions and stir for a few minutes until they become fragrant. Next, add your carrots, green beans, sweet corn, and green peas. Stir fry the vegetables for several minutes while maintaining their vibrant colors and slight crunch. Now add your seasoning cubes, curry powder, thyme, and a little salt. Mix everything thoroughly so that the vegetables absorb the flavor. Next, pour in a small amount of chicken stock. This is one of the secrets to achieving rich and delicious fried rice. Allow the stock to simmer briefly before adding the cooked rice. Gradually add the rice and stir continuously. Make sure every grain of rice is coated with the vegetable mixture and seasoning. Continue stirring gently until all the ingredients are evenly distributed. Now add your cooked chicken, beef, shrimp, or liver. Mix everything together carefully. Finally, add your sliced bell peppers. Adding bell peppers toward the end helps preserve their freshness, color, and nutritional value. Continue stirring for another 2 to 3 minutes. At this point, your kitchen should be filled with the wonderful aroma of freshly prepared fried rice. And there you have it. Your delicious homemade fried rice is ready to serve. Look at the beautiful colors. Look at the perfectly cooked vegetables. Look at the rich texture and flavor. This is the kind of fried rice that can impress your family, guests, and even customers if you operate a food business. Before we conclude today's tutorial, here is a professional cooking tip. Avoid overcooking your vegetables. One of the characteristics of excellent fried rice is vibrant vegetables that remain slightly crisp. Overcooked vegetables lose their color, texture, and nutritional value. Thank you for joining me for day 2 of our food tutorial series. I hope you have learned something valuable today. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like, share, comment, and subscribe for more practical cooking lessons. Invite your friends and family to join this series as we continue exploring delicious recipes together. I am Peter Uwaifo. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in our next food tutorial. Happy cooking and God bless you.